In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer satisfaction surveys in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional CSAT survey ready to roll out, so you can capture feedback right after support interactions and improve your customer experience. Start by opening your Freshdesk account and heading to the area where surveys live. From the main menu, go to Admin, then open the Workflow section and select Customer Satisfaction Surveys. This is your hub for creating, editing, and managing all CSAT surveys in one place. Create a new survey by clicking New Survey. Freshdesk offers ready-made templates to help you get started quickly. You can choose Support, Simple, for a straightforward rating flow. Support, Yes, Well, No type. If you want a quick thumbs up or thumbs down style response, or Support, Advanced. If you need a bit more structure and flexibility. Pick the one that suits your use case and click. Use this to load it into the builder. Give your survey a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it later, and, if helpful, add a short description for context, like which team or region will use it. Then, click Save and next to Continue. Now customize your questions. Edit the main set question to reflect how you want to measure satisfaction, such as a "How satisfied were you with the support you received?" prompt. Choose the rating type that matches your brand tone, emojis for a friendly feel or stars for a familiar look, and set the point scale, like a simple 5-point range. Update the labels on the scale, for example, very dissatisfied, neutral, and very satisfied, so respondents clearly understand what each point means. If you need additional context or follow-ups, use the plus button to add more questions, but keep it concise to avoid survey fatigue. Next, configure the behavior of the survey. Adjust the rating scale order to show low to high or high to low, depending on your preference. Decide whether to display labels under the scale to aid clarity. If you want to tailor follow-up questions based on a response, enable skip logic to branch the flow, keeping it relevant for each customer. Set delivery and triggers so the survey reaches customers at the right moment. Choose your channel, such as email, and specify when it should be sent, typically after a ticket is marked resolved or closed. This timing helps ensure feedback reflects the complete support experience. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your survey will be set to active and will automatically be sent to customers based on the triggers you set. Your CSAT survey is now live and ready to collect insights. Thanks for watching.